To create my project I used Photoshop and InDesign. These were both new programs to me, so I had to learn how to use them. I created the text for my front page on Photoshop. As you can see, I added a stroke and a drop shadow to my text. This made it stand out. On some of my text I also added a black highlight, which made it easier to read from a distance. Another feature that I learned was the Magic Wand tool and the Quick Selection tool. These allow me to remove the background from my photos that I took. This is my front cover image before I edited it. I airbrushed the photo by adding noise and a blur to the second layer of the picture. I then used the eraser tool on the top layer to delete some of the background over the spots. In the end, the picture resulted looking like this. I also used the spot healing brush to edit my photos. This was very easy and simple to use, as all you had to do was click over the area that you wanted to remove a spot from. I also used Photoshop to resize my images. I did this by holding the Shift key and then stretching them from each corner. I held the Shift key while resizing my images, as this helped to keep the image in proportion. I only resized my images from the corner, as this stopped it from becoming stretched and distorted. This made the image better quality and easier to see. I also used Adobe InDesign to create my magazine. I used this because it allowed me to use the ruler tool and grid tool to measure the spaces between my paragraphs and images. This helped me keep everything on my magazine lined up. I also used a Canon EOS 1000D to take my pictures. On this I learned how to zoom and change the focus of the camera. This allowed me to take more interesting pictures. I also used iMovie to create my videos for my evaluation questions. iMovie allowed me to add text to my videos, transitions, and crop images that I inserted. I could also get iMovie to zoom in on certain part of the images, as is being shown in the video. I also use YouTube to upload my videos for my evaluation questions, Posterous to upload some of my other work, and Bubble.us to make spider diagrams such as this. All of these websites are developments from Web 2.0.